Well, Americans want to buy new homes, but there's not enough to go around. Yahoo Finance's Rick Newman did a deeper dive into this issue in this week's Bidenomics, and he joins us now. Hey, Rick.
Hey guys. So when we started seeing interest rates going up last year, a lot of people thought, oh, that means housing prices are going to go down and maybe all these buyers who have been locked out of the market might get some relief. That's just not happening. I mean, very unusual convergences in the housing market. We got new data this week. Existing home sales are down. People are just not putting their homes on the market because most homeowners with a mortgage refinanced and they have a super low mortgage now and they don't want to give up those savings. So we're seeing existing home sales go down. There's not enough new home construction for a variety of reasons. And prices, which a lot of economists thought would come down, they're almost back to record highs. So is this a problem for President Biden? I think yes and no. A lot of the housing market is local. It depends on zoning and permitting and what local governments say about where you can build, and there are a lot of problems there. But Biden has promised to help with affordable housing, and he actually has put some stuff into effect, and it's not working yet. So some of the things Biden has put into motion may help in I don't know, the next year or two or three, but right now it really remains a snarled housing market, very frustrating for many people who are trying to buy.
Rick, quick question on former President Donald Trump. We got new news on a court date. Take us into where things stand. I know former President Trump was hoping for a delay. Where is it now?
So this is the federal prosecution of Trump on the classified documents charge that's being handled in Florida. The judge in that case has set a trial date for May 2024. And I mean, it really could not be more dramatic, assuming that date holds. So in a close primary election, that would be right around the time that either party, the Republicans or Democrats, are deciding who their nominee is. Now, if Trump or somebody else really dominates, we might know who the nominee is before May of 2024. But remember, the conventions are usually in either July or August. The conventions are where they formally nominate their candidate. So if this trial happens on that date, I mean, it's going to be square in the middle of the Republicans trying to figure out who their candidate is. And obviously, I mean, could be the biggest factor by far in the 2024 election.
All right. Always great to get your updates. A big thank you there to our very own Rick Newman.